So this is my reality right now. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't supervise the mover. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't supervise the movers and you just tell them, you know what, just use whatever space you can find. I'm looking out my back, there's a refrigerator over there and it's plugged in, and I've got like sodas here that need to go in that refrigerator. But I'm not sure how to make that happen yet. And yeah, I do have some access, from the front of the garage. And then over there is supposed to be our shipping. It's just, I've got storage space solutions up here. I'm just a little overwhelmed. I'm a little overwhelmed. I'm not going to lie. I don't even know where to start. I almost feel like I need to hire a professional that knows how to take on a project like this, because this got way out of hand. So I am open for all suggestions down in the comments. I would love to hear how you would tackle this situation, because yeah, I don't know if it's because my brain is still not completely back to normal thinking. I am fighting a little bit of depressed feelings about all of this. I want so badly to have my house like set up and functioning, and it's just not yet. So I'm working on all that stuff I always tell you guys about, is like just not letting my brain go to the negative, and I'm trying to come up with solutions. So any solutions you can help me come up with for this mess, definitely welcome. Yeah, I never even got to sell my poor little Pikachu over there that I should have been able to get about $130 to $150 for pre-Halloween. Hopefully somebody still wants him as a mascot. Yeah. And then this is the downstairs office / eBay room that you can see. It's kind of a mess. I think this is going to be the photo room too, because we can control the lighting in here pretty well, whereas the other room that I was thinking of, I can't really control the natural daylight that comes in. Not that that's like, natural daylight can be good, but I like to control the lighting situation a little better. So this is going to be like the listing computer room. I may pull one of these desks out of here. I'm not sure yet, but this one's actually a functioning computer and got my Rollo printer there. But yeah, there's a lot of work to do. There's just a lot of work to do. And I will just share the reality that is my kitchen right now. Still fighting the dishes. I mean, the dishes in the dishwasher are clean. My kids are like, this is gross. I know, I'm sorry, but this is my life. This is what my kids do. They just put big blobs of food in dishes, and makes me kind of crazy. I mean, yeah, we got the Carl's Jr. The other night, but I feel like the kitchen's getting somewhat under control. Like we're getting there with the kitchen. We've got, some living situation kind of functioning here. Got trash that needs to be taken out. I'll put that in there in a minute. And then this is the other eBay room where I had them bring in all of the art and all of my lamps. So I have stacks and stacks of art. And stacks of art. I think I have to concentrate on listing and selling some art Like that needs to be a major, major priority because I have a lot of it and it's really hard to store. And then lamps. These ladies, I think I will take down, I think I'll take them, I don't know where I'm taking them, to one of the, I'm going to be closing my antique mall space. I don't really want to take any more in there. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. There you go. I've got lamps laying on the couch here. Lord have mercy. And then my poor, poor backyard. Oh my goodness. Then this happened. Like I really felt like I had this under control until yesterday. And then this happened. And I got all my plants. I've got to try to bring my hibiscus back. Got to figure out where I'm going to be sticking those guys. Got to mow the lawn at some point. Oh, I just don't have time to be sick and down anymore. I have got to start getting control of the situation. And you know, it's funny because Tiny came out again today. Is he still out? Let's see. Oh, no, was he already going? Did he already go back in? He was out and now he's headed himself back in. Oh, sorry, I thought I was going to give you a peek of Tiny, but everybody else is snoozing. Everybody's snoozing. It's a snoozing tortoise time of year. Yeah, so I'm always open for ideas, guys, on how do I get this all under control, because I am a little overwhelmed right now. I'm definitely a little overwhelmed. I think I'm going to start out here and at least put like my solar flowers somewhere. I'm going to do, oh, everything wants to fall over now. Oh, great. All right. Oh, stand by. I just realized that there's real roses over here. And I did not know that. I just stuck that little I don't know if this will get enough light for my solars to light up, but we're going to find out. But now I just realized hidden amongst all the ivy are real rose bushes. And I haven't had rose bushes for a while, so I'm kind of excited about that. And then this is just a little fake flower, but it looks really good from a distance because it's so bright red. So I'm just going to fill this up with my solar flowers also and see what kind of color we can get in this little area. Okay, it feels really good to have this set back up. I've missed this. This is one of my favorite little features. I got this little solar flowered lights at Goodwill, and I got this off of Amazon. And I always wanted one of these glass bird baths, so I bought myself one. Now I just got to fill it with water. And I've got all my flowers kind of pounded in over here. And we're going to just wait and see if they got enough juice to light up tonight. And then I'll have to add a little bit of what that looks like. I guess I should pick up the wayward palm branch that's just laying across the yard. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm a little winded. I have been, oh yeah, I got my little flamingo, my little glass flamingo installed to the ground here because everything's on an irrigation system. It's pretty soft and easy to put things in. So you can see I'm still kind of filling the pool up. It's on an automatic filler, which is really nice. It doesn't have to have a hose run to it. So I'm going to be excited to be able to use this in the spring. But for now, I think that is a goodly little chunk of work I've done. And for those who have been tracking our little Hope, she's out here getting a little sunbathing time. She got her shot today. We have like 2 more shots left to do. And she wore herself out. She was eating and now she's just sleeping in the hay. Oh, she hears me talking. She hears me talking. She just tucked her little head in. I don't know if you saw that go in. She'll poke it back out here in a second. She's doing really, really well. I mean, she is getting stronger by the day, this little girl. And we're very excited about her progress. Yes, we are, little Hope. Yes, we are. I know you just want to be left alone. You're just like, leave me alone. So, okay, we'll we'll put her back down and we're gonna go tuck her back up in her little safe hidey hole upstairs in my room. Well, some of my stuff lit up. I'm a little afraid to walk over here because I don't want to fall in the pool. Yeek! All right. Some of the stuff didn't get out in the sun enough to get it, but we got the flamingo, and then they're just I can't get over there. Because I'm not a bat and I can't see in the dark and I don't have sonar, but I guess I'm gonna have to do this after they've had a full day of being out in the sun, but it's a start.